Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new user in Windows Server. Let's start it. Let's say we have a new employee coming to work in our company and we need to create them a new username and so how do we do that? So what we do is first we go into the server manager. So we are in the server manager now, and then I'm gonna click on tools, and then we're gonna go into the Active Directory users and computers. So we are in the Active Directory users and computers. Um, we're gonna create a new container. Let's say for organizational unit. Let's say for engineering. So what I'm gonna do, right click here, new organizational unit. Let's give engineering, and then I'm going to say OK here. And then inside the engineering, that the new employee, we're going to set him up, set her up, new user. Name is Patricia, and last name Lar. And then we're going to create the login name. Let's say Patsy, and then click on next here, and then we're gonna say user must change password at next logon. So we're gonna create a temp password for them now, right now. So when they log in, this is for them temporarily. So when they log in for the first time, it will ask them to change the password. So that's their new password would be. Um, User must change password at next logon, and and click on next again, and then finish. So the username is created. Then what we're gonna do is now we will give that the temporary username and with the temporary password um, to the new employee, and then she will be able to log in, and then we'll change that when she log in, and the first thing it will ask her to change that for the new password. Then so she could be able to change it. So let's pretend that I am the new employee. Now we're gonna log in to this workstation with the created new username and password. So let's pretend that we are the user of this computer. So we're gonna put the username here and the password, the temporary password we created. So when we log in, then it will ask to change the password. Sign in. The user must provide the user's password must be changed before signing in. So we say OK here, and then we enter the new password here, and then confirm that password again, and then log in. So it's changing the password now. Your password has been changed. Click OK here. So it's logging Patricia Lar. It's going to take a while to customize um, to the new user. The optional features here, it's asking for it. I'm just going to say no on it. So we logged in on this user. I'm going to see, let's click on here. So I'm going to show you here. We're going to go into the CMD. Who am I? This shows here the user is Patsy. That's a user of this computer. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and I will see you again on the next one. Thank you.